Hello everyone, how is it going? And today I'm gonna do some stuff as and doing competitive programming, doing lots of things as and technical stuff. And before starting for competitive programming, I will warm up my brain. Often for warming up my brain, I use type of chess or tower of an hour. So that's the best thing I could advise you before doing hard problems as for math or physics as and me for competitive programming. So let's get started by playing chess. So mainly I play a chess key for right now, but holy crap. Let me log in. I think so. Right now I'll lock my screen. Yeah, so let's continue. Okay, let me make it small. And yeah, we have. Oh, that has been updated. Holy crap! I wasn't go. Yo, man, there was. Holy crap! Let me check it, please. Or is that another account? I don't think so at all. Bro, yeah, my avatar. Oh, that's cool. I'm type of playing game at my stream. That's strange, but okay. No, bro, that's not serious. Let me do this type, then pants is going to be also this. No, never mind. Oh, no. I want, what is this? Oh, that's, that's better. I think so. And what about skin? Let's make a type of this. Oh, that's kind then, no way, bro. Where's, yeah. Wow. But how could I change the hair, man? That's the problem. Firstly, make it type of this, and like my hair is type of this. That's pretty strange for current moment. So let's make it this. Oh, that's cool one. Yeah, random no. Yeah, that's and how could I say this? I would be question. What is it? Oh, oh, of course, Lee. That's the point, man. Yeah. So simply, I will just use only this. Yes, I think so. That's the best thing that we could use right now. And let's do type of fast chess. I don't know. Is it possible if I would show the username of the persons that I play? I don't really know. The best thing I could do is to play this bot because I couldn't show the nickname right now and it's currently streams. That's the point. Cause of let's just enter play VC key and then we no. Play VC bot. Oh, please stop. What the hell is that? Play S white. What is this? Coach mod? No. Is there type of difficulty? Holy crap. Is there Magnus Carlsen, man? Wait.
Hola, vamos a jugar.
Couldn't find Magnus Carlsen.
Hi there! Ready to play?
Okay, found Master Mike. Okay, so, and yeah. So that's
Hi
going
there.
to be
Ready to
type of
play?
this new game. Are you sure you want to start a new game?
Hi there.
Yes.
Ready to
Oh,
play?
play. Yeah, so I think so. Right, I'm gonna win for certain. Okay, I think so. I will attack the center. The best thing I could do there is two variants. So firstly, but there are lots of variants what to do. We could do triangle, as I mean, for example, I think I will be needed to block my screen. Unfortunately, again, uh, yeah, I'm so sorry that I have blocked my screen, but let's continue for playing. I think so. Yeah. So the main thing, yeah, I could do triangle castling. Um, after like type of it goes right there, then it goes right there, and we do type of castling. Also, the second variant is to just to bring it there. And that's also cool variant, but not the best. So I think so. It would be better if we do triangle castling. Uh, last minute. So yeah, right now I will try to do um, okay. That's not really the best point. I think that the best thing I could do is to attack this knight. Or wait a minute. If I attack this, then I'm going to be eaten like this. If I do this, then there's a big chance. No, wait a minute. It's simple good to play right there, but no, not really good. So I need to defend this knight. So because of if he plays right there, he could take all the crap. So okay, it means that the best variant to play is holy crap. Yeah, I'm done. But let me do castling. What if I would put it right there? I attack this, but this one defends, so he could eat me. Um, so I think so. The best variant is to okay. So if I play no, not the best variant, man. That's risky. So let me just make it. Okay, so what? Oh, okay. So my knight. So the main problem is that. Wait a minute, let me check all variants. Yeah, that's the best point I could do. But if he goes right there, like, for example. That's strange. You know what? Holy crap! Yeah, I noticed. Uh, I made a big mistake, man. I don't have any chance. Wait a minute, or could I play? Yeah, so the best thing I could do is try to attack, but that's useless for current moment. Yeah, so it could. I could I defend? No, not at all. I think I think so. It's better to say it right there. Right now, I will try to defend myself. I think so. My game is not really going so well. So, cause of let's try it. No, man, that's useless. I I try. Wait a minute. So how could I kill this? If I go right now, I attack. But oh crap! Wait a minute. Let me put it right there. Yeah. Oh holy crap! No. Uh, what if I do this? So there's. Oh crap! Yeah. What about if I translate it right there and try to wait a minute? If it goes, I go right there. Okay. Hmm. So mainly if I use this there, so he's gonna wait a minute. Oh, is there more safe? Yeah. So I do attack right there, and if I no, yeah, that's risky because of if I go right there, yes, it is, man. So yeah, I was expecting. Oh, that's very interesting. That's the most. Uh, I don't know. Does it cost it? Like, for example, okay, by algorithm is going to be like this, and yeah, no, 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 never, never, because I couldn't give the rook to have the leading position, the leading line. So, because of oh, no, it's right there. So if I go right, oh wait a minute, let's wait if it goes right there. So, because of if I did no. Uh, So yeah, it's not going to take this. Holy no way, man. So the best thing I could do is this, and then I get in trouble, to big trouble. So I think so. Yeah. Oh no, man. Yeah, so my as I said, um, it was pretty interesting. So I lost, but I don't see that type of problem. So okay, let's. I don't know what to do right now, seriously, because that was strange. Okay, so let's move on for Tarfanoi. So I really know a lot of scripts. So if you ask me how to solve this, so look how fast I'm going to solve this. So okay, the huge secret is, so if we go there to there, there to there, okay, for example, I mean, I want this one to put it right there, and for putting this right there, I need to put that one to right there. And for putting that one right there, I need to put it right there. Like now, that one has freedom. Yeah, and I want this one to put it right there. So it's frequently understandable that I will do it like this. And then for putting it, we have the free one, and I could solve it. And the same with all of them. For example, for I want to be it right there, it is right there, it is right there, and wait a minute. Yeah, so that one is going to be right there for giving that one freedom. Then I want it to be there, so because of this I need to replace this to there, and after I want this to put it right there, but there's script, so of course like for putting this to right there it needs to go there. After this, I could put this, and then we remember how we solved 3. For putting that one right there, I put that one right there and this one to there. So it looks like this. And yeah, for putting that one right there, I need to make that one freedom. So for making freedom, I need to put this right there, and we go like this. And I think so you could watch my video where I solved Tarhana that had 8 of them. I did this for 300 or 400 moves, and it was next to 10 or 20 minutes. I think so it was 20 minutes or 18 minutes, but that's the best warm up. So often I solve 6 or 5. So that's also that I advise you to do. So also, since I will warm up by easy problems. So for easy problems, I think so I could use at coder A tasks, namely beginner A tasks. That's the best choice. So let's wait a little bit and going for ABC. You go, for example, right there. I have this task, and for example, this task. I'm sorry. So yeah, this and this. We go right there. Takashi is playing a game. In this game, each time the number of coins you have collected so far becomes a multiplier of 100. You get a prize. Takashi has collected X coins so far. How many more coins does he need to collect before he gets next prize? If X is a multiplier of 100, we assume that he has already got the prize. I couldn't understand anything, but okay. Here's the next prize when he has called 200 coins. Oh, okay, we need just to, yeah, understood. So after how many coins he could get his achievement. So I don't know. Okay, how we could solve this is I just think about nothing. Uh, okay, for example, if I look to each size and the first number right there, for example, it's going to be, let me open some whiteboard. I think so, like right there we have some whiteboard, then whiteboard, then what the hell is this, man? hmm So I think so. This stream is going well already for 21 minutes. Okay, right there. I'll just do this. Yeah. Okay. Let's take this and this. The next one is going to be this. Okay, I measure each size, of course. Like, oh well, crap. That's hard to solve, man. Holy crap. I'm speechless. Uh, right here we have this. And of course, the best thing I could do is to go for the next task. Okay, I'm kidding. So, I think so. Firstly, to do like this: 0 is 0, and then if mail, I will reverse it like this, and then 4, and then 1. So, oh crap. Let's just erase this, and there we go like this: 0, 0, and n-2 and n-1. So it goes 0, 0. So our end. So that's start and that's end. And the answer is, of course, equal to the end minus start, mainly. Yeah, and because of this, you'll do 0, 0, and then we looked at this one. Um, um, if n-2 is mainly less than 9, then we simply will do 5, 7, 3, 5. Oh, I missed 0, 0, 5, and then we get 1. Yeah, like but what about if that one is going to be 9? So if index, like let's call it index, if index equal to 9, then make index equal to 0, and there where we have n minus z, that is needful for 1. It's 1 is, oh crap, yeah. So the digit 1 has index n-1, then 1 is going to be plus 1, and yeah, also, and for example, I call it index 2 plus plus. So okay, and after getting 100 1500. I do minus this, and mainly it's going to be 53 if I don't miss. Oh no, 63. I missed. Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah. It is, and then I just print this answer. So how we could solve this task? And then we have task slot. What is this? You're playing the slots. The results of a spin is represented by three uppercase English letters C1, C2, and C3. It's considered a win when all of them are same letter. Okay, so if C1 equal to C2 and C2 equal to C3, yeah, type of this. So with this type of I just warm my brain and let's code it. Let me open my Ubuntu terminal. What's so long? It's really long. Yeah, no, it's good. GNOME terminal. Yeah, that's pretty good. And 11, yeah. So let's do winmin.cpp. Firstly, I'm gonna code slow task because it's more easier to implement. Beats stdc++. Namespace std int no okay, define int long and then let's do it sign it main. See out now. So I think so. It's good. Let's check how we need to print this. Oh no. There's another. Oh, one lost. Okay. So right there is going to be lost, and right there is going to be 1. Here we go. Now let's compile our file. G++ main dot row. Yeah. I'll run and let me run my code. So here I'm gonna copy this, and I hope that's going to be copied. Please, man. Yeah. So let's go right there. And let's comment this. We are given x, so x string is equal to the int string to integer to string. Yeah, so that's function to string x, then reverse start begin. After reversing this, I think that the best thing I could do is to just do like this: for int a0 is less than n. Now is that size, and then after this e plus plus, here we go. So also the next thing I would like to do is to just simply add, it's just simply to try to find when it's n minus 2 and when it's n minus 1. So I think so it would be easier to consider by if else. So all of them is going to be 0 if e is not equal to n minus 2, and also e doesn't equal for n minus 1, then simply do this as e is going to be equal for 0. Else situation, I don't know what's it going to be. Else 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 if e equals to n minus 2, let's go right there. Just do this. I think so that is better just to check if SE equals to 9. Doesn't equal to 9, and do SE plus plus. And at the else position, I would do this. Also, I need to go for n minus 1 at this point. Yeah. Else e plus plus. Holy crap. E plus plus, yeah. I don't really know how to go for next level. Okay, let me make bool up, and that's going to be equal for false. Oh, at else situation, make it equal for equal for 0. Then I go right there, and I'm gonna put up equal to true. Yeah, so now then if e equals to n minus 1, and like it has been upped, or and up equals to false, So I think that the best thing I could do is to just try this. So if its value, it doesn't need to be changed, or needs, or doesn't need. Wait a minute. Okay. So let me s1 to do plus plus. So there's also one problem. If it is equivalent to 9, yeah, I could in a big trouble. Then let's do this. If another one needs to be upped, like the another one, like if it's 9 and 9 at the start, yeah. So that's the wrong position type of this, and it's better if to the end I plus some 0. I think so. And how to do this? Holy crap. So s equal to the 0 plus s. Then after doing se plus plus, that's the most first situation and that's easiest one. So yeah, so simply we have created our s, and then it's time for making int y string to integer. Then there's going to be reverse is that begin, is that end. Then int difference, mainly it's going to be answer. It needs to be equal y minus x, return So y minus x not really good because I'd like to debug y. So cout oh, that's strange. So why we have oh yeah, I see. So there's also a point when we need to make it 0. So oh, we always need to make it 0 logically. Oh, so we need to carry it when it's 9. Here's the moment. Okay. So if that needs to be type of 200, yeah, as a string when it goes to reverse it, it's 002. So wait a minute. Okay, so where's the first zero? I have this question. First also I would like to check what about reversed one? Oh crap. Twenty, but why is that two? So that's a big question. First of all, I just want to know where we lost the zero. SE0. Oh, that's possible that uh, about this test case. So I think so I'm stopped a lot. That's the point. Okay, let me go to the edit. Or could we have some another ideas? The another idea is to nothing. Wait a minute. And x input and answer equal to the zero, while for x plus plus answer plus plus. If x divisible to zero, print. What the hell? If you're new learning to programming, then this problem can be solved by simulating. Oh, crap. Okay. It could be that's life. So okay. It took us 50 minutes to warm up. I'm really tired, so I think so. I will see you at another video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.